Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White, and welcome to 119 West Harbour Drive, West Harbour. This fantastic family home is all set up and waiting for you, and it has more than enough room for you and the family, the dog, the race car, and even the boat. A functional and family-friendly layout provides space for everybody to escape or come together. Generous living and entertaining zones flow seamlessly between indoors and out, and the sun-soaked deck is the ideal spot for barbecues or post-work sundowners. All three bedrooms flow off the hall, the master enjoying its own ensuite and walk-in wardrobe, and along with a family bathroom and super handy utility or laundry room. Light and bright with a leafy green scene from most windows, you really do have the best of town and country in this location. Below the home there's a single garage with more excellent storage and generous off-street parking. The peninsula location means the Esplanade is on your doorstep, and it's an easy stroll to Marina View School and Luckins Reserve. A quick drive takes you to the ferry for a pleasant CBD commute, and for some retail therapy or gastronomic goodies, look no further than Westgate or the Northwest Precinct, just minutes from home. Set down a private driveway, this home is ready and waiting for you. Make sure you come along on the weekend to the open homes or give us a call and we can arrange a private viewing.